Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Welcome back, students. In this video, we will learn kitchen vocabulary in English.
Cookware,
Cookware,
pot,
pot,
pan,
pan,
skillet,
skillet,
saucepan,
saucepan,
Dutch oven,
Dutch oven,
wok,
wok,
bakeware,
bakeware,
baking sheet,
baking sheet,
cake pan,
cake pan,
muffin tin,
muffin tin,
bread loaf pan,
bread loaf pan,
dinnerware,
dinnerware,
plate,
plate,
bowl,
bowl,
cup,
cup,
glass,
glass,
mug,
mug,
utensils,
utensils,
fork,
fork,
spoon,
spoon,
whisk,
whisk,
knife,
knife,
spatula,
spatula,
tongs,
tongs,
appliances,
appliances,
refrigerator,
refrigerator,
oven,
oven,
stove,
stove,
microwave,
microwave,
dishwasher,
dishwasher,
toaster,
toaster,
gadgets,
gadgets,
blender,
blender,
mixer,
mixer,
food processor,
food processor,
coffee maker,
coffee maker,
slow cooker,
slow cooker,
tools,
tools,
can opener,
can opener,
garlic press,
garlic press,
grater,
grater,
peeler,
peeler,
measuring cups,
measuring cups,
storage,
storage,
container,
container,
jar,
jar,
bottle,
bottle,
bag,
bag,
cleaning,
cleaning,
sponge,
sponge,
dish soap,
dish soap,
trash can,
trash can,
recycle bin,
recycle bin.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.